I'm gonna make the Southern iced tea. Today, I have 2 quarts of water. It boiled. I set a family-sized tea bag in it, and I've just let it steep for about an hour. So I'm just gonna take my container. And I'm gonna scoop this up. Okay, here's my big tea bag. I just put a plate on a plate and squeeze it together. Then you're gonna pour it in your container. You can keep it like that, but I like sweet tea. So take a cup of sugar. And pour it in. Stir it up. I'm gonna place this in the refrigerator. And it'll be ready for supper tonight. And that's how you make Southern iced tea, sweetened iced tea. And I will be back with another video, how to keep your wooden spoons healthy. I've had wooden spoons for over 20 years, and I'll show you the trick when I get back.